Hello and welcome to this video about the mandatory military service in Russia. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why Russia, as a powerful defense and space nation, requires all of its citizens to complete a period of military service. We'll also compare it to South Korea and its own military service requirements. Russia has a long history of mandatory military service, dating back to the days of the Tsars. The tradition has continued into the present day, with all able-bodied males between the ages of 18 and 27 required to complete 1 year of military service. There are several reasons why Russia maintains this policy. One of the main reasons is the country's large landmass, which makes it vulnerable to invasion from neighboring countries. To protect its borders, Russia has a large standing army that is well trained and well equipped. Another reason is the nation's history of invasions and conflicts through centuries, that has always made military defense a top priority. Another important reason is the country's continued involvement in global conflicts and peacekeeping operations, which require a large number of soldiers and support staff. In addition to these military considerations, mandatory military service also serves as a way for young men to gain discipline, learn valuable skills, and contribute to their country. Comparing to democratic South Korea, which also has mandatory military service for all able-bodied males aged between 18 and 28. Like Russia, South Korea is located in a volatile region, with a hostile neighbor in North Korea. The country has a small land mass and limited resources. This makes it essential for the South Korean military to be well trained and well equipped, especially in case of a potential invasion from the north. The South Korean government also uses the military service as a way to build a sense of national unity and civic responsibility among its citizens. In conclusion, mandatory military service in Russia and South Korea serve as a way to protect the nations from potential threats, as well as to build a sense of national unity and civic responsibility among citizens. Both countries have a long history of conflicts and invasions, which have made military defense a top priority. While mandatory military service can be a difficult and challenging experience, it is an important part of being a citizen in these countries. Thank you for watching, and we hope you gained a better understanding of the reasons behind mandatory military service in Russia and South Korea. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.